Hello and welcome. This is Ahmed Ali from affiliatemarketingbreakthrough.com. And today I'm coming to you with the AI income engine. Now, this system is featuring 100% fully automated passive income generator. That means there is no selling, no recruiting, or mastering complicated skills. All you have to do is to set it up once and the system will automatically work for you. And I believe this is going to help everyday people to make money online. Those who are busy, who have a lot of obligations, who don't have the time to sit down and work for long hours every day, as this system is 100% fully automated. Now, first of all, let me ask you this question. What do you think the biggest reason people fail online? Based on my experience, most online business models require selling or recruiting. And that is why most of the people are struggling. Not everybody can do selling or recruiting. They don't have the skills to do that. They don't have the resources like the time, money to keep spending on different traffic sources or learning complicated marketing and traffic generation strategies. And those business models like affiliate marketing, network marketing, e-commerce, Amazon FBA, drop shipping, and many others. All of those actually require either selling or recruiting. They require marketing experience, constant effort, and daily grind. But today, you don't have to worry about any of that. With the AI income engine, there is no selling or recruiting required. This system can generate 100% fully automated passive income, literally. There is no selling required, no recruiting, no complicated skills to learn, and no spending hours working every day. This system was designed to generate recurring income without you having to manually sell or chase anyone. Now, to check this system out, you just need to click on the first link in the description below, and that's going to take you to another page where you're going to learn all the details about this system. Once you click on that first link in the description, it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this, which is the AI Income Engine website. As you can see here in this headline, a fully automated AI system built to generate passive income. Now, this is not something that's going to help you to generate traffic, build marketing funnels, or get more visitors to your website so you can make money after that. This system is going to do everything to generate your income. All you have to do is to set it up once, and it's going to start working for you automatically 24/7. And as it says here, no selling, no recruiting, no complicated strategies, just hands-free system built for long-term growth. So what you have to do once you come to this page is to watch this first video at the top here. It's going to give you a short introduction about the system. And after that, it's going to ask you to scroll down to continue to the video under step one. So once you scroll down here, it's going to take you to this video. Now, this video is going to explain to you everything about the system and how it works and how to activate it today. So before you watch this video, I would recommend that you sit in a quiet place, grab your favorite drink, and watch this video very carefully, because this is the most important video here. Once you watch this video, you will learn exactly how the system works. And by the end of this video, I'll show you how to activate this system and get it ready as soon as today. Okay, I don't want to make this video very long, so click on the first link in the description of this video, come to this page, watch the first video here first, and after that, scroll down and watch step one video. Now, this is kind of a little bit long video, but it's going to explain everything in details. So make sure to watch it very carefully. Now, that's it for this video, and I wish you great success with this incredible and amazing system. Now, thank you for watching, and at the end of this video, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, click on the subscription button, and make sure also to activate the notification bell so you don't miss any one of my future videos.